Most of us know kiwi for its tangy sweetness, but few realize it holds a nutritional profile unlike almost any other fruit. Beneath the fuzzy brown skin lies a natural combination of compounds that scientists are uncovering for their effects on immunity, digestion, sleep, and even skin health. Let's peel back the science of kiwi and discover why this remarkable fruit is drawing so much attention from modern research. Kiwi's journey is as fascinating as its flavor. Botanically known as Actinidin deliciosa, this fruit's story stretches across continents and centuries. Originally native to the river valleys and forested slopes of central and southern China, it was once called the Chinese gooseberry and valued in traditional Chinese medicine for boosting vitality and aiding digestion. In the early 20th century, New Zealand growers cultivated the fruit and rebranded it as kiwi fruit, honoring the country's national bird. This renaming propelled kiwi to global fame. US and British servicemen stationed in New Zealand during World War II helped introduce kiwi fruit to their home markets, sparking wider international demand. It's now also grown in Italy, Chile, Greece, and California, making it one of the most widely cultivated fruits. By the late 20th century, Italy had overtaken New Zealand as the largest producer, a sign of how quickly kiwi cultivation was expanding beyond its origins. Currently, China is by far the world's leading producer, with most of its crop consumed domestically, while New Zealand stands as the top global exporter. Today, kiwi is stepping into the spotlight, where ancient tradition meets modern science. What makes kiwi remarkable is its cocktail of bioactive compounds, working together to support the body. Actinidin, a unique enzyme found almost only in kiwi, known for breaking down proteins and easing digestion. Vitamin C. Kiwi provides more vitamin C per gram than oranges, critical for immunity, collagen production, and antioxidant defense. Polyphenols. Including quercetin and catechins, these antioxidants reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. Serotonin. Kiwi naturally contains serotonin, linked to improved mood and sleep regulation. Fiber and prebiotics. Both soluble and insoluble fibers feed beneficial gut bacteria and support bowel regularity. Together, these compounds make kiwi much more than a refreshing snack. Here's what the research says about their impact on health. 1. Immune system supercharger. Clinical research shows kiwi's abundance of vitamin C strengthens immune defenses. In trials, kiwi consumption increased plasma vitamin C and reduced the duration of upper respiratory infection symptoms. This works because vitamin C boosts white blood cell activity, shields them from oxidative damage, and supports the body's ability to produce antibodies. 2. Improved digestion with actinidin. Kiwi's enzyme actinidin helps proteins break down more efficiently, easing bloating and discomfort after meals. Animal studies show kiwi consumption improves gastric digestion and accelerates gastric emptying. Human studies confirm kiwi reduces bloating. This is thanks to actinidin's role in breaking proteins down more thoroughly, easing the strain on the digestive system. 3. Cardiovascular protection. Eating 2 to 3 kiwis daily has been shown to reduce platelet aggregation, lower triglycerides, and may help lower blood pressure. These effects are linked to kiwi's polyphenols, potassium, and vitamin C, which help reduce oxidative stress, relax blood vessels, and limit clot formation. 4. Natural sleep enhancer. A study on adults with insomnia found that eating 2 kiwis before bed improved both sleep duration and quality. Scientists believe this is because kiwi's serotonin and antioxidants influence the neurotransmitter pathways that regulate circadian rhythm and sleep onset. 5. Gut microbiome support. Rich in fiber and prebiotics, kiwi promotes healthy gut bacteria like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. Research shows kiwi extract improves bowel regularity and softens stools. This happens when kiwi's fiber ferments in the colon, producing short-chain fatty acids that nourish the gut lining and support overall colon health. 6. Skin health and anti-aging. Kiwi's vitamin C and polyphenols protect skin from oxidative damage while promoting collagen synthesis. Research links higher vitamin C intake to less wrinkled appearance and less dryness. These benefits come from antioxidants neutralizing free radicals, while vitamin C provides the building blocks your body needs to form collagen. Beyond the science, there are a few interesting facts about kiwi that might surprise you. The fuzzy brown skin is actually edible and packed with extra fiber and vitamin E. Golden kiwi fruit, a sweeter variety, contains even higher levels of vitamin C than green kiwi. Kiwi berries, a smaller, smooth-skinned cousin of the kiwi fruit, can be eaten whole like grapes and offer a similar nutrient punch, without the fuzz. Now let's look at some tasty and creative ways to enjoy kiwi every day. As a sweet snack, slice or scoop kiwis straight from the skin for a quick, refreshing burst of flavor and nutrients any time of day. Smoothies. Blend into drinks with other fruits, greens, or herbs for a refreshing, nutrient-rich start to the day. Smoothie bowls and chia seed puddings. Top smoothie bowls with kiwi slices or layer them into chia puddings for added texture, color, and nutrition. Oatmeal and overnight oats. Stir fresh kiwi slices into warm oatmeal or chilled overnight oats for tangy sweetness, added vitamin C, and a burst of color that brightens your morning bowl. Fruit salads. Combine with berries, citrus, or melon for a colorful, antioxidant-rich mix. Kiwi popsicles and sorbets. Puree kiwi with a bit of honey and coconut milk, then freeze in molds for a refreshing summer treat. Protein partner. Eat kiwi alongside protein-heavy meals to ease digestion, as actinidin helps break down proteins. Bedtime ritual. Have 1 to 2 kiwis an hour before bed to naturally support sleep. Kiwi reminds us that sometimes the greatest treasures hide in plain sight. This small fruit offers a powerhouse of nutrients that can transform health, from strengthening your immune system to soothing your gut, protecting your heart, improving your sleep, and revitalizing your skin. Simple, refreshing, and packed with benefits, kiwi is a fruit worth celebrating. Wellness has never been hidden. It has always been present in the simplest forms of nature, quietly offering energy, resilience, and renewal, inviting us to rediscover the harmony between body and earth. So let's keep uncovering what else is hiding in plain sight. After all, health is wealth, and every bite is an investment in yourself.